Welcome back, students. This is the session number 1 from the playlist of ray optics, or you can say from the chapter of ray optics. And the today's session is basically an introduction to ray optics. So based on this topic, I have written down here 3 important points. The first point is light has a dual nature, and I think we all know about it. It behaves like a particle and it also behaves like a wave. Now it behaves like a particle when it travels in a straight line, and it also behaves like a wave in its electromagnetic spectrum. So I think that every one of you must be knowing about this point. Now the second point is the ray optics is a branch of science in which describes the light propagation in terms of rays, and in this chapter of ray optics we will be studying about the image formation by mirrors, lenses and prism. Light also exhibits the various properties like reflection, refraction, total internal reflection and dispersion. So this is the this will be the topic of discussion for the next 3-4 sessions. That is, from the next session onwards I will be discussing about the properties of light such as reflection, refraction, total internal reflection and dispersion. And thereafter we will be also studying about the image formation by mirrors, lenses and prism. So thank you very much for joining this session. Till the next session, have a nice day. Bye.